That's me. What's going on, guys? It's your girl Faye, and we started this vlog because we wanted to take you into the world of Faye and all the craziness and just subtleness of my life now. What it has to do with my recovery, what it has to do with being a gay woman in her 40s, what it has to do with just so many things of life. And I love the fact that you're coming on this journey with me. Recently I lost a really good friend of mine, actually just a couple of days ago, and I'm still trying to get over what it feels like to be on this earth without him being present, without getting that morning text just telling me how his day was gonna go. And I've noticed that I am on this crazy roller coaster of feelings, and I knew that all of you have felt lost at one time or another. So I figured I'd share these feelings with you. And I know that there's 5 stages of loss, of grief. And the first one is denial. It's one of those things where I really can't comprehend the fact that he's gone. I really don't believe that he's gone. There's a picture on my phone. There's a text on my phone from days past. It seems like he's still here with us. And I'm kind of just trying to figure that out. The next is anger. I'm pissed. I'm mad. Why did you take my friend? I have friends that are asking me how I'm doing. I don't want to fucking tell you how I'm doing. I'm not feeling good. How about that? Or, oh man, I feel really bad about your friend. I wish I would have made it out to the hospital. Well, you're a piece of shit and you never made it out to the hospital. See, anger. Okay? I've got to deal with these feelings, and I will. And I hope that you will too. So we'll do this together. This roller coaster keeps on riding, bargaining. I've got these moments where I'm thinking, okay, maybe if we would have gotten him to the hospital sooner, or maybe if we would have had a different doctor, or maybe if we changed his diet soon enough. I'm not God. There's nothing that I could have done to change the outcome of his life. Depression comes next on the list of ways that we grieve. And I'm going to have my days of depression. I'm going to have days that I don't want to get out from under the covers. And you know what? That's okay. Self-care is important. So I don't go off on somebody like I did during the anger part of this segment. Very important to just allow yourself to be depressed, to feel in that moment of sadness. Because you know what? It's okay. Last but not least is acceptance. And I've got to admit that I'm so not there yet. But I hope that with the help of my higher power and you guys, I will get there someday. It's all a matter of sharing these thoughts, sharing these feelings, sharing this roller coaster ride, and understanding that there's no reason to isolate yourself. You're not alone in anything that you're going through, and your emotions, they're important and they make sense. Sit with them, journal about it, go to a lost group. They've got plenty of them on Facebook. They even have live ones that you can go and check out. But it's important to be true to your feelings. There's nothing wrong with feeling what you're feeling. And I'll tell you that this is the first time that I'm going through a loss sober. My usual go-to when I lost somebody was run to a bottle and drink it and numb the sadness away. And I gotta tell you, it feels weird to not have that crutch. But I refuse to lose my sobriety over something like this, because more loss will come. It's life. God only gives us what we can handle. And I guess God thinks that I can handle a lot. And he thinks that you can too. Thank you for sharing this experience with me. We'll talk soon. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel right now so you don't miss a single video of Faywhat. Faywhat!